How to make your own soundboard on Discord mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add or make your own soundboard on Discord. So to make a soundboard on Discord, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. You'll have to log in from web browser. So for that, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in discord.com. And make sure that you're already logged into your Discord account. Once you're logged in, tap the three dot icon from the top and make sure to enable it desktop side. So in order to log in, if you've not logged in, all you have to do is provide in your information, that is your login details, phone number or an email address, and then a password. As soon as you're logged into your Discord account, you'll have to disable the desktop mode, which means you have to turn off the desktop side button. Once you're logged into the Discord account, make sure to disable the desktop side as already mentioned. So tap the three dot icon from the top and go ahead and disable the desktop side. Once you've disabled the desktop side, it's going to take you to the home page, and from here go ahead and tap the tab bar icon. So once you're logged into your Discord account, tap the tab bar icon from the top right or the arrow icon. So once you tap on the server name, after that you'll be able to see a drop down menu, and from the list go ahead and tap on server settings. Once you click on the server settings, over here you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go to soundboard. Once you tap the soundboard button, now you'll be asked to provide in the file that you wish to add it as your soundboard on Discord. So click on upload sound. After that you'll need to select a particular file, and you also need to give a name, and you can also make changes or adjust with the sound volume by tapping on or toggling the button. Once you're done with the procedure, click the upload button. After you've done that, refresh your Discord application, and then you've successfully made your own soundboard on Discord. So that's basically how you can make your own soundboard on Discord mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.